Okay, let us look at this question, which is on showing set intervals on the number line. Okay, they are saying let the universal set be from -10 to 10, where both the -10 and the 10, they are not included in this interval. And then let A be an open interval from -2 to 6. Let B be a closed interval from -5 to 3. And then let C be a half closed interval from -1 to what? To 8. Okay. The question now is find A intersection E, and then in the brackets we have B minus C, and then 2 we have the universal set. This was supposed to be E here. Okay. So we are saying E minus C there. Find the set E minus C complement intersection A minus B. Okay. So for us to find this A intersection B minus C, we first have to simplify whatever we have inside these brackets. Okay, so I'll get this guy and then put him on the board here. Okay, so the first question there, we have that A intersection, and then we have B minus what? C. So this is what we have. So let's simplify this. So we know that the difference of sets is just the same as B intersection C complement, right? So this is going to be A intersection, and then in the brackets we're going to have B intersection what? C complement, like that. Okay, so this minus C is the same as intersection C what? Complement. Okay, and then from there we can now try to plot these on the number line. Okay, and then find the set that will be described by this expression here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a number line here. Okay, let me draw it a bit straight. Okay, so this is my number line, and I'm going to put a 0 here. And then remember from the question, we're told that the universal set is from -10 to +10. Okay, so meaning the lowest value I can go this side is -10, and the highest value I can go there is +10. Okay, so let's try to plot A. Okay, so A was given by -2 to 6, where both these -2 and 6 are not included. Okay, so we can put our -2 somewhere here. Okay, so let's say this is -1, -2, -5 there. Okay, -2, and then on the right we have 3. There's a 6 somewhere, and there's 8. And so I'm just speaking these numbers from these intervals that have been given here. So we have a -2, -1, -5. That's where I got the minus, the negative numbers. And then the positives, there's 3, there's 6, and there's 8. Okay, so these are the numbers that are in the given sets, right? So let's plot the set A. Okay, so A is an open interval from 2 all the way up to what? 6. So we have plotted A. So this is our set A. So notice that at the endpoints there, I'm drawing an open circle, meaning that this -2 and this 6, they are not included in the set A. Okay, I think let me write them somewhere here. Okay, and then let me write the set somewhere here. Okay, so A, we're told that it's -2 to 6. B, we're told that it's what? -5 to 3. And then C, we were told it's -1 included to 8 not included. Okay, so we've plotted the set A. Let us now plot this set here inside here. So this is B intersection C complement. So for us to know what C complement is, we first have to plot what? C. So let's plot C. So C, we can see that on -1, we have a closed bracket. Okay, so if I come on -1 here, I'm going to draw a closed circle like this. And then this is going to go to +8, which is not included. So I'll put an open circle on 8. Okay, so this is our set what? C. But remember, from these brackets, we're not interested in the set C itself. Okay, we're interested in its complement. So how do we find its complement? Okay, so I'll use the red there to find the C complement. So the C complement will just be, you come at the end point or the start point of this set C, okay? You check if this circle is included or not. We see that this circle is included in the set C. So it means in the C complement, it won't be there, okay? So I'll draw an open circle just on top of C here. And then I'll go this direction all the way up to what? To this minus 10, okay? So if you want, you can actually include that minus 10 because it's not in C. So we are going to say like that. Okay, so this is C complement on the left side. What about on the right? Okay, we are going to draw a closed circle here. Since C does not include 8, so it means in the C complement, the 8 will be there. And then it goes on to the what? To the 10 there. Okay, so the universal set was an open interval, so we don't have to include the 10s. We have to do an open circle there. So this should be an open circle. Even this should be an open circle. Okay, so this is the other part of the C complement, right? And then let's plot the B. So for B, I'll use yellow. Okay, so set B is from -5 to 3, and both of them are included. Okay, both of them are included. So I'm going to shade here, and then I'm going to shade above 3 here. Okay, then I'm going to draw this as my set what? B. So now, since we have intersection and we have intersection here, we just want to find the point where A is intersecting B and B is intersecting what? C complement. So where the white line, okay, for the A complement and the yellow line for the blue, and I said what? Okay, so we have the A, which is in white, we have the B, which is in yellow, and then we have the C complement, which is in what? I don't know if this is orange or red. Okay, so we want to find a point where these 3 lines, okay, are overlapping. Okay, so meaning those 2 lines of them, they are on top of the other. So we see that it is within this part. Let me show it in blue. Okay, we say it's that it is from here. Okay, so here in between here, we can see that the white line, yellow, and this red line are what? Overlapping. So it means our A intersection B intersection C complement is just within from -2 to -1. Okay, but now, how do we know if we're going to include this -2 in our answer or include this -1 in our answer? Okay, so we are going to say A intersection, and then we have B intersection C complement, okay, is equals to. So we go at this -2. We look at it. Okay, so we check the first set. In the first set is not included. In the B set, which is yellow, it's included because there's just a solid line passing here. Even in the C complement, it's included. Okay, so because it's not in all the 3 sets, because it in A here is not included, we are going to write an open circle and then we write -2, comma. Okay, then we come on -1 here. We check in the first line, which is the white line, it's included because I can only see a white line here. We check the yellow line, it's also included. Okay, what about this red line for the C complement? We see that there's an open circle there, so meaning the -1 is not included. Okay, so most of you are making a mistake. You are looking at the set C, which is including this -1. But no, we're not looking at the set C. We want the C complement. So in the C complement there, it's not there. Okay, we are going to write -1, open brackets like that. So this here is our set A intersection B intersection C complement. The complement should be inside the brackets there. Okay, so the complement should be here. So if you want, you can write this as a B minus C. Okay, so that's how you solve the first one. And then the second one, okay, let's write first of all the sets that we are going to use. Okay, we have the universal, which is from -10 to 10. And then we have the B. We should write the A first, right? Okay, we have the A, which is given by -2 to 6. And then we have the B, which is given by -5 to 3. Okay, and then we have the C, which is given by -1 and then to 8. So these are the 4 sets that we have, and we are going to use these to find this question here. Okay, so they are saying the universal set intersection C, and then we have the complement outside, and then intersection, and then we have A minus B there. Okay, so we need to simplify first of all this set, and then now we can plot it on the number line. Okay, so let's do this. Let me use white. Okay, so we have this set, right? We have X minus C complement intersection A minus B. So I remember we did a class on simplifying sets, okay? If you didn't watch that class, you can find it on my YouTube channel. Okay, just go in the math folder, you see simplifying sets. So this one here, we can simplify it, okay? So we can distribute this complement to whatever we have in the set. And before we even do that, let's first change this minus C and this minus B to the intersection. So this would be universal set, okay? Why am I writing X here and not E? Okay, so we have the universal set there. So it will be the universal set intersection C complement. Then we have a complement intersection A intersection B complement. So this is what we have, right? And then let's reduce it. Okay. So what is the universal set? Okay, the universal set that we have given on this question intersecting C complement. Okay, the C complement will be the one that is common. Okay, because it's the whole set, and then you are intersecting against the small set. So that small set will be the one that will be common here. So it means there we're just going to remain C complement, and then you have complement intersection, and then there we still have our A intersection B complement like this. Okay, and then here this complement is going to multiply with that complement, so it's just going to become C intersection A intersection B complement. Okay, so now we have this set here to plot on our number. Okay, so let's plot it. So we are going to say, this is my number line. Okay, I think let me go down a bit. So this is my number line here. As usual, we have your 0 there. Okay. And then we have a -1, we have a -2. Okay, so -3 and then -5. Okay. Let me remove this. So from the sets that have been given there, what negative numbers do I have? -10, -2, -1, and -5. Those are the numbers I'm going to put here. So -1, okay, -2, -5, and then -10. Then from the positive numbers, okay, I have 3, I have 6, I have 8, and then I have 10. So this is what I have on my set. Okay, so remember we want to plot C intersection A. Okay, C intersection A intersection B complement. So we want to plot this set there. Okay, we want to plot that set there. So what are we going to do? Okay, what are we going to do? We're first going to plot C. Okay, so C is from -1, which is included, all the way to what? To 8, which is not included. So this is our C. And then our A is from -2, which is not included, to 6, which is also not included. So this is my A. Okay, then let's plot our B. So our B will be from -5 all the way up to 3, and they're both included. So -5 you shared, minus the 3 there you shared as well. Then you plot that as your B. So this is my B, okay? But remember, in our question there, we're more interested in the what? The B complement. So this B will just help us find the B complement. So the B complement, you go at the end points of this B. So the first one will start here, and then it will end at 10. Okay, so this will be B complement to the left. And then here we're going to find B complement to the right. Okay, so this circle for B complement is open here, even there is open, because the previous one here down is what? Is closed. Okay, so now let's find where the C, the A, and the B complement are intersecting. Okay, so we see that they will intersect where? Okay, they will intersect from 3 to 6. Okay, so the B complement, we have this red line here. The A, we have this white line. Let me change its color maybe to yellow. Okay, so let's put A in yellow here. So this is our A, right? Okay, so this red line is the B complement. We have the yellow line here, and then we have this white line for what? For the C. Okay, so all these three lines are intersecting from the 3 here. This is just the numbering that is not correct. And then here we have the what? The 6. So they are intersecting in this area here. That's why you have your B complement, your A, and your C. Okay, so now you go at the end points here, you check. So what will be our answer here? So these 3 here, okay, is it included in that set or it's not? So we have a 3 here. Okay, so is it included in this shaded region? So you check the first set, which is C here. You see that this white line here, it's just a closed line. So the 3 is included in the C. Okay, in the A, which is this yellow line here, it's also included. And then let's check the B complement. Is it included? No, because we have an open circle here. Okay, so it means the 3 is not included. Okay, then comma, we go to the 6. 6 is included in the C, but in this yellow line for the A, this one here, we see an open circle there, which means the 6 is not included. But in the B complement, it's there. Okay, so since it's not in one of them, we are going to say 6 and then open brackets. So this here is our answer. Okay. Okay. So for any questions, you are free to inbox me.